children, today let's start with chapter number 5, that is water, our basic need. Water, it is also our basic need. It's a precious resource. Everyone needs water for drinking, bathing, cleaning, right? And it is important for everyone. So water is a basic need of all living beings. Humans need water to drink, to bath, wash clothes, utensils for cleaning purpose. Plants needs water to make food for themselves and for living world. Animals also need water to drink and bath. So washing clothes, cooking, drinking and bathing. These are the things that for what we need water. So 3/4 of the earth is covered with water और remaining 1/4 है वो land है. You have to look the picture below. Water being used in many things. Write what each person is doing. आपको लिखना है कि हर एक person क्या कर रहा. Now sources of water. If we talk about the main source, that is rain, which is the fresh water. Main source of water because of water on that comes from rain. Rainwater is filled with puddles, ponds, lakes, streamers, and the rainwater that we see on the earth is called surface water. What is lake? It is a large area of water with land all around. It may be natural or man. What is spring? A small stream that comes throughout the ground. What is pond? Area of water smaller than a lake. Some rainwater goes deep into the ground. It is called groundwater. It fills up the wells and people use hand pumps and tube wells to draw groundwater. We have wells, tube wells, hand pumps. Now drinking water. Water is stored in huge tanks after cleaning it and making it fit for drinking. Then it reaches our house through taps, clean and pure water. It is fit for drinking. It's called potable water. Now keeping water clean. So not allowing drain water to flow into river, not bathing or washing clothes in any source of water such as ponds or river, not throwing garbage and leftover, educating people about importance of clean water. Next is saving water. हमें water को save करना है because water is precious for all living beings. Close the tap after using them. Do not let the tap run while brushing your teeth. Get leaking taps repaired on time. Do not waste water while bathing. So water is precious. We should not waste it. आपको उसको क्या करना है? स्टोर करके रखना है टैंक्स में, ड्रम्स में, बकेट्स में, जिसको आप बाद में यूज कर सकते. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.